Okay, this video is to show an electrical issue. This is the e70, e71, so BMW X5, X6 from like 2007 and up. When you generally on any car, you see this many faults, and a lot of them have to do with short circuit or power supply voltage. You can't be overwhelmed, especially if you clear it and a ton of them come back, like 4, 5, 6 or so. So right away I knew it was mainly a power problem. So you have to go to what feeds the computer. The engine computer on this engine is actually bolted to the intake. This is the N55. But a lot of older engine computers are over here. They call this the E-box, but obviously there is no E-box, but there is what they call the IVM, or integrated voltage module. Now, see all these wires? These are all outputs. See this little wire down here? They're inputs. In other words, these little ones come from control system that turn it on. This is basically a sealed unit, unfortunately. This fat cable is the main power feed that supplies this whole thing. So if you could picture this power going in, this is the control, and then it sends power to all of these wires. So the first thing you do, you have to check and see if you have power. All of these wires. All of these are output. The red with the stripe on it, they're all output. One of these did not have power. This one on this car did not have power on this wire here. So I replaced it. This is the old one. You can see all the pins. That pin was not making power. This is where the main feed goes in. This is the control. Inside here, a bunch of relays. It's sealed. You can't really do anything with it. I've cut one of these open before. But the main trick is you should have power, of course, coming in, which we did. And all of these with the ignition on should have power out. This did not. I replaced it. Fault codes are there, but once I clear them, I assure you they will go away. So when I clear them, you will get no faults. Okay? Now we check again, still no faults. Before, you couldn't do that. As soon as I went back, there was faults. Of course, the car wasn't running right. All right, hopefully this was helpful.